What are in the Canada 2023 budget? Why it is a Canadian people caring and make in Canada plan. Canada 2023 budget was released on March 28, 2023 by the Canadian federal government. And here is a general overview based on the information available online. Canada 2023 budget is the government's plan to build a stronger, more sustainable, and more secure Canadian economy for everyone. It focuses on three main themes: making life more affordable, strengthening public health and dental care, and growing a green economy. The budget includes measures to provide targeted inflation relief, reduce healthcare backlogs, expand dental care coverage, invest in clean energy and technology, and support small businesses and workers. One of the most talked about features of the budget is the new grocery rebate, which will deliver up to $467 for eligible couples with children, $234 for single Canadians without children, and $225 for seniors, on average. This rebate is designed to help 11 million Canadians and families who need it most cope with the rising prices of food and other essentials. The rebate will be paid quarterly through direct deposit or cheque starting in July 2023. Another major announcement in the budget is the new Canadian Dental Care Plan, which will benefit up to 9 million Canadians who do not have dental insurance or access to affordable dental care. The plan will cover up to 80% of the cost of preventive and basic dental services, such as exams, cleanings, fillings, and extractions. The plan will also cover up to 50% of the cost of major dental services, such as crowns, bridges, implants, and dentures. The plan will be implemented in partnership with provinces and territories starting in April 2024. The budget also makes significant investments to build Canada's clean economy and fight climate change. The budget allocates $40 billion over 5 years for a new clean energy fund, which will support projects that reduce greenhouse gas emissions, increase renewable energy generation and transmission, improve energy efficiency and conservation, and develop clean technologies and innovation. The budget also provides $15 billion over 5 years for a new Green Communities Fund, which will help municipalities and Indigenous communities upgrade their infrastructure, transit systems, buildings, and waste management to become more resilient and sustainable. Some other highlights of the budget include cracking down on predatory lending by banning payday loans with interest rates above 36% and capping fees for check cashing services at $2 per transaction. Making life more affordable for students by increasing Canada student grants by 50% for full-time students and doubling them for part-time students. Eliminating interest on federal student loans until March 2024. And improving registered education savings plans by increasing the Canada Education Savings Grant from 20% to 25% on the first $2,500 contributed annually. Building more affordable housing by investing $12 billion over 7 years in an urban, rural, and northern Indigenous housing strategy. Extending the National Housing Strategy by 2 years, and creating a new home buyer's tax credit of up to $5,000 for first-time buyers. Working together to improve healthcare for Canadians by providing $198.3 billion over 5 years through the Canada Health Transfer. Investing $6 billion over 5 years to reduce wait times for surgeries and procedures. Providing $4 billion over 5 years to expand access to family doctors, nurses, nurse practitioners, and mental health professionals, and launching a national pharmacare program by April 2025. Encouraging more doctors and nurses to practice in rural and remote communities by creating a new rural healthcare tax credit of up to $15,000 per year for eligible health professionals, providing $500 million over 5 years to support recruitment and retention initiatives, and expanding broadband internet access to 98% of Canadians by 2026. Fighting crime and saving lives by combating the opioid crisis with $1 billion over 5 years for harm reduction services, treatment programs, law enforcement efforts, and public education campaigns. Banning assault-style firearms and buying back existing ones from owners who want to sell them, and investing $500 million over 5 years in a new community safety fund to support local initiatives that prevent violence and crime. In summary, Canada 2023 budget is a plan to make life more affordable, strengthen public health and dental care, and grow a green economy. It includes measures such as the Grocery Rebate, the Canadian Dental Care Plan, the Clean Energy Fund, and the Green Communities Fund. It also supports students, housing, healthcare, rural and remote communities, and public safety. The budget has a responsible fiscal plan that will see Canada maintain the lowest deficit and net debt to GDP ratio in the G7. Here is a song on Canada 2023 budget. Verse 1. Canada is on the rise. We've recovered from the COVID crisis. We've got the strongest growth in the G7 and we're building a better future for everyone. Chorus. Budget 2023 is a Made in Canada plan to make life more affordable and strengthen our healthcare system to grow a green economy and fight climate change to support our small businesses and workers in every way. Budget 2023 is a plan for you and me. Verse 2. We're giving you a grocery rebate to help you with the rising cost of food on your plate. We're introducing a Canadian dental care plan to cover up to 80% of your dental expenses. Man, we're investing in a clean energy fund to reduce emissions and create jobs by the ton. We're creating a green communities fund to help our cities and towns become more resilient and fun. Chorus. Budget 2023 is a Made in Canada plan to make life more affordable and strengthen our healthcare system to grow a green economy and fight climate change to support our small businesses and workers in every way. Budget 2023 is a plan for you and me. Verse 3. We're making life more affordable for students by increasing grants and eliminating interest on loans for a few years. We're building more affordable housing for Canadians by investing in an Indigenous housing strategy and a home buyer's tax credit. We're working together to improve healthcare for Canadians by providing more funding, reducing wait times, and launching pharmacare. We're encouraging more doctors and nurses to practice in rural and remote communities by creating a tax credit, providing recruitment support, and expanding broadband access. Chorus. Budget 2023 is a Made in Canada plan to make life more affordable and strengthen our healthcare system to grow a green economy and fight climate change to support our small businesses and workers in every way. Budget 2023 is a plan for you and me. Outro. Budget 2023 is a plan for you and me. Budget 2023 is a plan for you and me. *****. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Canada has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to North America, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you, AnHub Metaverse team.